Hello. Allow us to introduce to you the pinnacle of elegance in doormats, the GRAPHICSTAR. Knowing how important a first impression is, the GRAPHICSTAR transcends expectations. This customizable doormat is not just an entrance mat, it is a statement of taste and refinement. With premium manufacturing and vibrant colors, it welcomes your guests to a world where vibrancy and attention to elements are paramount. The GRAPHICSTAR is more than just a doormat. It is the prologue to the exceptional experience you offer to each visitor. Immerse yourself in the world of detail with our GRAPHICSTAR doormat. Designed with high-twist, deeply dyed tufted nylon, it promises not only timeless elegance but also certain effectiveness in capturing moisture and impurities. Versatility is at the heart of the principles. Available in your measurements to perfectly fit your space, this rug also offers limitless customization. Whether it's your distinctive designs, specific logos, or greeting messages, GRAPHICSTAR transforms your image into reality. With a palette of 29 bright and durable colors, each doormat is a canvas where your style and personality are expressed. Let GRAPHICSTAR be the reflection of your taste, welcoming each visitor with splendor and refinement. Your entry deserves the excellence embodied by GRAPHICSTAR. With the aim of perpetuating beauty and functionality, GRAPHICSTAR doormats combine ease of maintenance and exceptional durability. Built to stand the test of time, these rugs are not only easily machine washable, but also promise to retain their splendor for many years. Pierre Sol is committed to offering you these doormats at the best price. To discover the perfect harmony between elegance and practicality, we invite you to scan the QR code. Let GRAPHICSTAR transform your welcome into a work of art that impresses and lasts.